So the next topic to start with is the female reproductive system. So just like in the male, I have written the similar type of notes again. So the female reproductive system consists of primary sex organs, and the secondary sex organ or accessory sex organ. Now the primary sex organs are a pair of ovaries. Now why ovaries are called primary sex organ? The reason is the ovaries release the female gamete, that is the ova, and second reason is the ovaries release the female sex hormones, that is the progesterone and the estrogen. Now what are the secondary sex organ or accessory organs in the female? So just like in the male counterpart, I told you there are accessory ducts, there are accessory glands, and then there is external genitalia. External genitalia means the structure of the sexual part which is visible from the outside is called as external genitalia. So the accessory ducts include oviduct, what you call as the fallopian tube, it's in a pair. Uterus is single, it's also called as a womb. Cervix and the vagina. Vagina is an accessory duct. And there are accessory glands, and those glands are called as vestibular glands. I'm going to discuss about this in detail on the next sheet. So the vestibular glands, just remember this much, the vestibular glands, they are supposed to be of two types, greater and lesser. Greater vestibular glands are also called as Bartholin glands, and the lesser one are called as paraurethral glands or the glands of Skene, S-K-E-N-E. These are present on both sides of the vaginal orifice. Orifice means the opening. And these are present in between the openings of vagina and the openings of urethra. If you remember the 10th class syllabus, you have learned that in the case of male, opening is one. In the case of female, there are two openings. The upper opening is the urethra, from where urine comes out. And the bottom opening is for the sex or for the delivery, that means it is the vagina. So I'll be dealing with this on the next page in detail. This is just a nutshell of it. Genitalia, external genitalia includes the vulva. It's also called as the vulva. Vulva is also called as pudendum. It includes the mons pubis. It includes the perineum. What is perineum? The space from the sexual portion to the anus. That area in between is called as the perineum. Clitoris, vestibule, labia minora, and the labia majora. So all are these portions of the external genitalia. Now first of all, let's start with the ovary. So ovary, remember in the case of male they are present in this manner. In the case of females they are present in this manner. So they are 2 to 4 centimeter long. Their width is 1.5 centimeter and their thickness is 1 centimeter. Remember one thing, that just like in the case of the testes are attached with the help of peritoneum. Same way the ovaries are also attached with the help of peritoneum. The peritoneum in the case of the testes are called as mesorchium, and here they are called as mesovarium. Now if a section of a testis is cut, it appears to have the following number of portions. The outermost portion of the testes is called as a single layer epithelium, germinal epithelium. Germinal again means cuboidal epithelium according to your 11th class syllabus. The next layer below it is tunica albuginea, and below this there is cortex, and then below it it's the medulla. Both of these portions, cortex and medulla, are together called in NCERT as the ovarian stroma. There is a greater detail in the diagram in NCERT given. I will be skipping that right now because the same topic I'm going to deal with when we will talk about egg formation or oogenesis topic.